Assalamualaikum. 10-line essay on my flower garden. There is a small garden in front of my house. It is my flower garden. I have grown many kinds of flower plants in it. After coming back from school, I spent some time to nurse the flower plants. It is necessary to water them every day. There are a few rows of flower beds in the flower garden. My sister also helps me to nurse them in the evening. These plants would bear beautiful flowers someday. During the rainy season, flower plants grow rapidly. It is a great pleasure for me to see my flower garden every morning. Thank you.